Hello, beautiful planet girls. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Lynn from Digital Plans. There's some crazy dog barking like insane, so I'm gonna try to edit the audio, but if you can hear it, I'm so sorry. I'm probably not gonna hear much of him throughout the recording, hopefully. I do have my cup of coffee and I'm super ready and excited to be back in my memory planner. You guys know this is my favorite thing to do, just sit down, relax, put my memories down, use cute stickers. I did end up buying this from the Planner Shack. This weekly kit is called Fairytale Romance, and I think it is the most beautiful thing ever. It's got different vibes. Of course, it's got some reading vibes, but also I feel Disney princess, Belle. I feel this is Belle. I don't know. What do you guys think? But it's super romantic, super cute. Love all of the little details, all the flowers. And I said in my lineup that I wanted to use these with the Cupid foil in the rose gold. And I think that that's still a really cute idea. Well, I'm gonna show you. We're playing around now. With this one right here, because I feel it's got the vibe. It's really pretty, really going to make it still look very cutesy, pastel-y. I don't know. It depends on the vibes. But look how cute that is. But there's so many roses around that I thought maybe we could even do some of the florals. Because I feel that'll be also really cute. Where are my florals? I'm totally not prepared. I just sit down, press record, and I'm ready. And I'm clearly not ready. Where are my florals? There we go. So maybe we can mix, because I also have the florals. It's got a lot of roses and cute stuff in rose gold. So can we mix? Look at these. This is the new updated version, and I think it is so freaking cute. So let me just check it out. I don't know about these, because this has other elements. It's got some roses, but it got some other florals. But I mean, with a rose, how cute is that? I definitely feel we're gonna have to mix between the Cupid and the florals, both in rose gold, and I think it's gonna look super cute. So yeah, now that we established that, let's just go ahead and get started. I'm gonna grab, as always, my base first. So I'm gonna put my full boxes, and then we're gonna do washi. I don't know about the full boxes. It's been a while since I've done these. Also, before we do crazy stuff, I do have these kind of long strips, so you can just paste them here, and that way you don't have to be measuring and whatnot. And this really, I love the way that this is going to look. I feel it's going to really give us a lot of freedom still, because we have all the space without having the lines and all of that, but at the same time I feel it's gonna be really cute and way easier to just do it this way. Before we get started, I feel this will be really cute if we're doing a mixed metal as well, because we could do 1-and-1 and it'll be way easier for us. But I don't know, I think I'm gonna burn myself with this. I'm just gonna move it. Okay. Oh, I have all this cute stuff, but I feel it's in the way of my planning. Definitely want to go with a girl that's reading. So cute. This did came with different hair colors, but I always try to find the girl that looks more like me, if I'm being honest. I don't know why. And then I thought maybe where are my heathers, because these are also really cute. Look at that. So, and these are a little bit transparent. Can you see that? I feel a lot of her stickers, or maybe all of her stickers, are pretty transparent, which I think is really cute. Because that way, I don't know which one I love more. What am I gonna do here on Monday? And we're just gonna, this is way too cute, you guys. I feel I'm not following my regular, like, you know, like the way that I normally do things. But this is so cute. So cute. What else are we gonna do? I feel like we can do one here at the bottom. I feel like we can do something like, I feel like this mirror is so cute and it's gonna look great with like a foil quote. Maybe like the Cupid one on top will be really cute. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna do a heather as well, and we're gonna kind of like, we're gonna use this one again, but we're gonna mix them a little bit. I'm just gonna pop it here, and then what can we do there? Well, I guess we can just like pop these because we're gonna mix them, and I'm gonna just like pop it here. Such a beautiful kit, honestly. I feel like with the foil, oh my god, this is like gonna be one of my favorite spreads. Like, I can already tell. Just like, so this is like my vibe, more like girly, super cute ones. And maybe the box. Oh, I think we need to do like a flat lay here. Just so we have like a girl flat lay and then just like a regular box. And that way we're gonna start like mixing things up a little bit. Kind of like figure out. That's cute, really cute. Okay, so what else can I do? I'm not like doing crazy. I'm doing like the regular 3 boxes. If I wanted to, like, I could do crazy, but not really feeling it. I feel like we could do these and then a double box here, or we could do these with a double box here, or we can do these no, we can do these and then double box here, which I feel like that's gonna be my favorite way of doing it. So here we're gonna need another one, which I really wanted to kind of put do I want to put the rose? I feel like maybe the rose we're gonna put on top. And look how cute that is, because this is transparent, so you can kind of see the foil underneath. So freaking cute. It's just gonna make everything look super, I don't know, like blended in together. I love that. I'm definitely gonna use the book, but we also need to use the other girl, so maybe we'll use, yes, we'll use the other girl here. And trying to like mix things up. Okay, that's cute. We need heathers, but that's okay. And then here I feel like we can do double box. Do I have a double box? Yes, it's the bedroom. How cute is that? I feel like this was my dream bedroom when I was little. So cute, just like a princess slash Barbie slash fairy tale situation. So cute. Okay, I need heathers because this is driving me crazy. So this is going to be the bluish one. I'm just mixed between these two. These are like little washi strips that come with a kit, and I love using these on top as heathers. I feel like they look super cute. And then we're gonna do some foil on top of that and gonna make them look even cuter. And then we're gonna do these. Okay, kind of like center that nicely. Okay. I'm really liking this vibe, you guys. So cute. Oh my god, I'm in love. Should we do the other heathers? I think I'm gonna do bottom washi. This came with like a couple of options. These are like more like the regular big boxes, and then we have like a couple of small ones, which I think I like a little bit better. Look how cute. Oh my god. I'm gonna do this on top, and then we're gonna do these ones here. So freaking cute. All the pretty florals. Just trying to make sure that these are kind of like aligned. Okay, pop that. So cute. Oh my god. Is it this one right here? I've been doing this for such a long time that I kind of already know how I organize my washi. So for example, I know that these are going to be the bold one, long strip, short strip, and then these two are going to be like the pairs, again, long strip, short strip, long strip, short strip. So I already kind of know how I save them up. This is so cute. Oh my god, I feel like we need another box. Hold on, we need a box here. Did I use the book? Because I really wanted to. No, I really want to use this little book here. I feel like we could do cute little foiled divider, maybe the roses, and then here we can do like a little frame, and I kind of want to take out my foiled frames and put one here to like count. I feel like 2 weeks till Valentine's I can put or something like that, something cute like that. I'm gonna do really quickly speed up my date covers here, and then I'm gonna really quickly add the glitter heathers, and I'll be right back.
I dove into the water, but got caught up in the sky, walking in a spiral, barrels I'm winding down.
Okay, you guys, I feel like this is going really well. It is such a cute, lovely spread. I definitely want to add some foil, you know me, of course. I definitely want to add some cupids and whatnot. So first of all, I'm just grabbing, ooh, we did have these like complete boxes. Okay, let me check if we want to do that. Because I feel like I can totally, I don't know, I feel like I don't need to add those, but we'll see. They'll go like, you know, here and make things even crazier. I feel like they're cute, but I don't know. I'll have to like crop these though a little bit, and then kind of like that. Do we like them? I mean, like, they're really cute, but I feel like it's too much for this spread, so I'm just not gonna do that. I'm gonna crop that, and then I feel like we could do these. Love like Cupid here with the books, kind of like more on top, like so, with some corners with Cupids. That looks really cute. We could just like that. I feel like that's cute. And then I definitely want to add this quote here, maybe like in the mirror. So cute. We're definitely like just making our own kind of kit out of it. This is so cute. Definitely want to add some frames there. And then this girl also needs a frame. So freaking adorable. I definitely wanted to do something with the flowers. And then also this girl, I feel like, let me check my flowers. These ones, okay, I feel like we could do copy and paste these, and then we can use that as a little divider here. Like, that'll be really pretty. I'm just gonna crop till around here. So cute. So cute. And then we have a couple of options. We can do these day dots, or we could do the hearts. What are we thinking? I think we're gonna do the hearts, but before we do that, I need a frame here. We could do some of these flowers, or maybe we could, crazy thought, I'm gonna copy these, I'm gonna paste that, and then we're gonna kind of like make our own, kind of like around here. I kind of like this here maybe, and then let's just crop these. I just want this corner here. Gonna look super cute, and then we need another corner, but I feel like maybe we could do kind of like mix them up and put that here. I'm just like doing whatever I want at this point. Kind of like have these here. So cute. And let me crop those because we just want the ones on top. That's really cute. Kind of made my own toe box out of those two. What else? I definitely wanted to do like something with flowers. I feel like this will look really cute. And again, I love that these are a little bit see-through, so you can see a little bit of that bougie boxes underneath, which I think is so cute. This is perfect. What else are we doing? Shall we do like this, a double box? I need this, and then I need to like, whoops. I'm gonna duplicate, and then I'm going to simply crop. I'm gonna use this side here. You guys, I feel like you've seen me do these 800 times, but I love digital planning because you can really like just crop and resize and like turn around and really do whatever the heck you want with this, which I think is really nice. Definitely need something. I don't know if I want to do these or if I want to do the flowers. Let me check this out. Because this will look cute here. Or we can do, I feel like the roses would also be really cute and kind of like, I don't know if I want to do these here. Maybe they'll look cute on top of, oh yes, these look really cute on top of the roses. That looks so adorable. I love it. Okay, and then here on top, I'm going to do roses with the foil. These ones or these ones? I feel like these because these are just a ton of roses. Okay. And we're gonna do those on top, and that's gonna look really cute. Oh, that is so adorable. Oh my god. That's it. Like, this is way too cute. I definitely need like a little, hold on. When it labels, and of course I was lazy and didn't end up cropping these, but I definitely want, I feel like these are really cute, so I'm gonna use this one right here. Just gonna pop it here, and then maybe we'll need a little divider right there. I feel like we could just reuse this one on top. So cute. And when I like a cute something, this one has these like these ones right here. Super cute ones. What do we want to do here? I don't know. We could do these, we could do those, any of those. These doesn't have any quotes. I also feel like I need to do date dots here. Hold on. Can I make them down here? Okay, that's cute. I'm gonna search for my day dots really quickly because I'm just gonna do day dots, and I feel like this is pretty much done. Like, this is such a cute little spread.
Up in the sky, walking in a spiral, arrows I'm winding down.
Okay, guys, I am really excited and happy about the way these turn out, and my candle is about to start burning everything. Oh my goodness gracious. But this is so freaking cute and adorable. I do really love it. I feel like it was a great idea to mix those two foil bundles, because this is just, it gives the vibes, you know, it gives the vibes. I did ended up just putting Hello February with the rose gold. Again, this is like the Hello months foiled. I'll link everything down below as much as I can, and I'm so happy with this kit by the Planner Shack. It is such a perfect week to start February. Like, this is everything. It's super girly, it's super cute, it's got everything that I love, which is like books, you know, and all of the cuteness for February. Like, it is perfect. So I am super happy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you beautiful planner girls in my next video.
Confident, don't know any better, but the feeling's so good. World's turned inside out, oh yeah.